Egypt is a land where history comes to life. The country is continuously improving its infrastructure and represents a highly affordable option for an enriching travel experience. I've been to Egypt twice and can't wait to return. With its stunning variety of ancient attractions, Egypt long has been one of the world's most fascinating destinations, offering visitors a rich tapestry of history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. Whether you go on a Nile River cruise like I have 2 times with Viking, or on a land-based trip, I wanted to show you some of the best sites and give you some tips for your visit to Egypt. Compared to other major travel destinations, Egypt remains an affordable option. Flights, accommodations, and daily expenses are lower than you'll find in Europe or North America. Also, now is an ideal time to explore Egypt's wonders with fewer crowds. Popular sites like the Pyramids of Giza, the Temples of Luxor, and the Valley of the Kings are still far less congested than in previous years, offering a more intimate and enjoyable experience. Egypt has a warm, sunny climate year-round, but the best time to visit is between October and April when temperatures are mild. My most recent visit was in the middle of summer and it was brutally hot. I suggest going in the winter and spring seasons to enjoy pleasant weather conditions. This makes sightseeing and other outdoor activities much more enjoyable. Here are the top sites you can see when you travel in Egypt. Great Pyramids of Giza and the Sphinx. No trip to Egypt is complete without visiting the Pyramids of Giza, the last remaining wonder of the ancient world. Built more than 4,500 years ago, the pyramids are an awesome sight. You can visit the pyramids, try a camel ride in the desert, and see the nearby Great Sphinx all in one day. The Egyptian Museum. This museum is in Cairo's Tahrir Square, and it's another essential stop. The Grand Museum showcases mummies, statues, and relics from Egypt's storied past. Beyond museums, Cairo's Islamic and Coptic districts offer stunning mosques, churches, and lively bazaars. Luxor. This city is often called the world's greatest open-air museum. It's home to an astonishing collection of ancient temples and monuments. The Temple of Karnak, with its towering columns and grand avenue of sphinxes, is one of the most impressive temple complexes in the world. The nearby Luxor Temple is another fantastic piece of history. Across the Nile, the West Bank is home to the legendary Valley of the Kings, where the tomb of Tutankhamun was discovered, as well as the Valley of the Queens. Visitors can explore the ornately decorated tombs of pharaohs, learning about elaborate burial rituals and the treasures found within. I recommend an early morning balloon ride over the valley to see the sunrise and really appreciate the majesty of this part of Egypt. Aswan. This city is located in southern Egypt and is where you find the Aswan Dam, which helped control the Nile River and provide stability to the region when it was built in the 1960s. There are a number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Aswan, including the Philae Temple dedicated to the goddess Isis. This is also where you would begin a tour to see the incredible Abu Simbel temples built by Ramses II. These colossal statues and intricate carvings are a marvel of ancient engineering, relocated in a huge undertaking in order to save them from flooding. Aswan's Nubian culture, colorful villages, and fun felucca boat rides on the Nile add to its charm, making it a must-visit destination. The Nile River. Of course, I recommend a Nile River cruise as one of the best ways to explore Egypt's historic sites in comfort. The voyages are hassle-free with delicious regional food, exclusive tours, and passionate Egyptologists as your guides along the entire journey. You can go with a company like Viking, which I have twice, or try other companies such as Ama Waterways, Avalon Waterways, and Uniworld River Cruises, who also offer Nile voyages. Thanks for watching. Happy travels.